What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am just literally in my room chilling because I have a TEMU haul for you that I've been meaning to film, and so I told myself I'm going to sit down and I can't go to sleep until I film this. So I'm just gonna walk through this really quick. Hopefully there are a lot of items, so I'm gonna get through this as fast as I can. But if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe, and let me show you what I got. Also, I'm gonna link everything that I got down in the description, in case you're interested, if I can still find it, okay? I'm gonna start off with some bigger items just to get this out of the way. I got this UV lamp. My other lamp was crapping out on me, so I just bought this cheap one to hold me over because I'm gonna actually get a better one once I go back home. But yeah, so this is just a 48 watt UV LED lamp, and you can put your phone on it. So this is what it looks like. You can just rest your phone here. It's metal bottom, which I love. I always look for that with my lamp, so that way I can get a really good cure. And so yeah, it's just like a basic lamp, nothing fancy. Like I said, I just really needed a new one in the meantime. So next I got like one of those makeup cases. I figured maybe I can find some use out of it, you know, to store some of my nail stuff. It's just one of these. I'm sure you've seen these before. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger than it actually is, but I don't know, we'll see if I keep it. You can actually like take these out and arrange it however you want. And you have this pocket here, which is technically for makeup brushes, and then you also have the zipper right in there with a pretty deep pocket. So yeah, got that. We'll see if I can find any use for it. If not, it'll go back. If you've watched my other hauls, you would have seen these already. Literally every haul that I've been doing from like Shein or TEMU, I always pick these up. These are like those diamond painting, like storage for the little diamonds. But I use this for all of my charms, glitters, nail art stuff because it is so convenient. Like I talk about this all the time. It just keeps everything in one place and it gets rid of all those little individual packages. All I have to do is just look through, see what's in here, and then I can just take out that individual row. And then I can just open each individual box. I don't have to have the whole thing open. If I need to pour it out, it's so simple. Like, it just makes my life so much easier. Okay, I got this container here. I got this for my face mask. I'm trying to get used to wearing face masks more while I'm doing my nails. Next, I picked up another like booklet to hold my stamping plates. I'm out of space in mine, so I just picked one up. So it's got a decent amount. Nothing fancy, just need something to hold them. Speaking of stamping plates, I picked up a buttload of them. I already have a lot, but for some reason I can never find what I need. So I'm going to show you these up close, so don't worry about it. I picked up 15, apparently. There are 15 plates here. Hopefully I won't be needing any more anytime soon. There are some pretty cute ones in here, so I will make sure to show you each one individually. Surprisingly, I only got one pack of stickers. I have been getting a lot of stickers lately, so, you know, I don't really need it, but yeah, I just got these black ones. Super cute. I have these two foils here. These are like hollow laser foils, and it looks like I have one that's a butterfly. This one looks like it's like a panda. This one's gonna be super cute. I got dandelions in one of my other hauls. So nice. I love these. And I'm obsessed with foils as well. Shocking. Next, I picked up a couple of drill bits, and it looks like I have 2 of the same one. I don't know if I did that by accident or if I got an extra. I'm gonna have to see, but these are the exact same one. And then I got this one here. I don't have any of these, so of course I'm going to show these to you close up, but yeah, just got one of these. Along the line of drill bits, I just picked up one of these little orb thingies. I don't have anything to clean my drill bits, so I just picked that up. Nothing exciting. Random item, I picked up like an extension cord kind of thing. I have way too many plugs at my desk and not enough outlets. So I have one of these at home where you can just turn on whichever one you want. I have another one coming as well. I'm gonna see which one I like better, but I needed more outlets, so that was necessary. So I did buy some pigments. I bought this here. These are glow-in-the-dark pigments. I actually have another one that I bought from TEMU as well. It's the exact same one. I used it in my glow-in-the-dark set for the collab that I did with Raven. It's a couple videos back. I used these in that set and I made every single gel glow in the dark. I love this so much, and now I am stocking up on all glow in the dark pigments as much as I can because I am obsessed with doing that now. So this comes with 12 colors, and then I also picked up like individual pigments. I believe these are glow in the dark as well. These are just individual pigments. And I'm assuming they're glow in the dark also because that was what I was looking for. And then I have this random little glitter. I feel like this might be glow in the dark as well. I just picked up like a bunch of random ones just to see what they were like from different sellers because, you know, you just don't know until you like try it. So at least I'll know which seller I like to buy it from. I'm gonna be using those a lot. They are so good to have on hand. I would highly recommend it because you can totally change up your gels and just add a nice little special effect to it. I bought more rings. I like to wear my rings when I am taking photos of my nails. I got a pack of just different black rings. And then apparently I got more gold rings, but I don't remember getting the gold. So I'm gonna have to see because I have way too many gold as it is. And then I got this cute little like skeleton. It's like a skeleton hands making a heart. And then not related to nails, but I picked up like these fake piercings for the, is it the septum? Because I am considering getting this pierced. So I want to see if I like it. So hopefully this will help me make that decision. Okay, you guys, I have so many gels that I have bought from TEMU, and I do swatch all of them. I do include the swatches in these videos, but then on my TikTok, I actually show myself swatching them, and then I tell you whether or not I recommend the gels. I've had some really good hits, a couple of misses. So I'm just trying a bunch from different sellers just to see if there are any hidden gems, and there are actually some good stuff. So I got a lot more gels. Did I need it? No, but I picked up a lot anyways, so let me show you. I got these thermal gels. These are shell, so it's called shell thread. And you're supposed to be able to like put your dotting tool, like run your dotting tool through it to make like that pearlescent effect. And these are thermal, so they change with temperature. I got 5 of them. It looks like I have 5 of them. Actually, it looks like I got 6 of the thermal gels. Then I also got these magnetic nail gels. So I'm guessing these are just cat eye gels. I have 3 of these. I don't really remember what all these look like, so I will be surprised just like you. And then I got one that is just a rainbow cat eye, so you can put this one on any color to make it holographic and cat eye. I got these color gels. These are like the dotted ones, like it looks like you can do like the Easter egg shells. I got 6 different ones, and these are all in 6 ml bottles, so they're very tiny, so you're not gonna get a lot, but I will do the swatching for you so you don't have to waste your products. And I think these are jelly, so these are like the speckled jellies. I'm excited about these. They look really cute on the website. This one is a, oh, okay, so this one is a luminous top coat. So this is a glow-in-the-dark top coat. So we'll see how it makes different colors look. I was just really curious what it looked like on different colors. So I have 8 of these boxes here. I think they're all rainbow cat eye gels. It looks like they're all gonna be the same. Do I need any more cat eye gels? No. Am I gonna keep buying them? Maybe. I'm just addicted to them. I'm addicted to glow in the dark and cat eye. And I think that's it. I think that's my main addiction. So yeah, so I have 8 of these babies. I have nowhere to put any of these gels. And these are 8 ml bottles. So decent size. I have this random one. It is a 12 ml bottle. This looks like it's just a speckled. I don't know why I got this one on its own. I guess like it's like a top coat or something. I don't know. So I have that. It's so random. I just literally put random gels in my cart. So bad. Just a couple more gels left and then we're done. These all came in these little envelopes. I have 6 of them, and these ones are actually 15 ml bottles. These are the first gels that I bought that are 15 mls. All the gels that I've been buying from TEMU are like 7 mls, and so they're on the cheaper side. These are still pretty cheap, but yeah, so these are actually 15 mls, and it looks like they're more cat eyes. Look at this is the bottle. So cute. I love the packaging on these gels. So yeah, these are definitely cat eye. I'm sorry if you're tired of cat eyes. I'm sorry. I got 6 of these. Yeah, that was it. That's all I got. Again, everything will be listed down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'm sorry I look so busted right now. I really just wanted to get this done. I do have more packages coming from TEMU, so stay tuned. It's so bad, but I hope you guys are enjoying these hauls and maybe finding things that you might want to get for yourself. That is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. If you like the video, please give me a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.